Its tendril coils on itself, pulling the plant towards its support. In a matter of just days, these climbers make it to the canopy. Now, with light in plentiful supply, these plants are able to flower. Other plants have a different strategy to find the light they need in the crowded forest. These are air plants. They grow on the upper branches of tall trees and spend their whole lives basking in the light. But growing 50 meters above the ground does have its drawbacks. Most plants get water and nutrients through their roots in the ground. For an air plant with their roots planted in the treetops, this isn't an option. But they have a solution. First, the bare roots have an extraordinary ability to soak up water like blotting paper. The slightest rain or mist, and they absorb every drop. They also have a way of gathering nutrients. Their roots trap falling leaves, which eventually rot and provide the plants with their own personal supply of compost. "20,000 different plants, orchids, bromeliads and ferns have taken up this remarkable lifestyle. For a plant to thrive, it must not only get enough nutrients, but also the right balance of nutrients. The soil in this waterlogged bog is very poor quality, lacking in nitrogen. But these strange plants have an ingenious strategy. Their leaves are covered in tentacles tipped with droplets of what appears to be morning dew. These droplets give the plant its name, the sundew. They're sweet-smelling and attractive to many insects. But they're also extremely sticky. Mosquitoes emerge in huge numbers from the boggy water, and the sundews are ready. The sundew's tentacles are living flypaper. Struggling only makes matters worse. With each contact, the plant tightens its grip. As more and more tentacles envelop the prey, the droplets spread across its body. Eventually, the insect is smothered and drowns in sticky fluid. Digestive enzymes break down the body into a nitrogen-rich meal which is absorbed by the plant. Without animal tissues, this plant would not survive. But there's another carnivorous plant That's an even more sophisticated predator. The Venus flytrap. Like the sundew, it makes itself very attractive, oozing nectar across the brim of each leaf. But any visiting insect had better watch out for these 6 tiny hairs. This fly has to tread carefully. If it strikes one hair, it can carry on feeding, but a timer has been set. A second strike in less than 20 seconds, and the fly is doomed. An electrical impulse is triggered and the leaf snaps shut in just a fraction of a second. The tips lock together like prison bars.